Did you know that 95% of all mechanical keyboards are made for gamers? What about designers, writers, and basically everyone that just wants to enjoy a beautiful mechanical keyboard? Meet Lofree, the first wireless mechanical keyboard that is stylish and designed for everyone. Designed with singular spherical round keycaps, the Lofree mechanical keyboard makes typing easier and faster. Our keyboard switches are chosen carefully to make it sound exactly like a typewriter. Almost all mechanical keyboards are not compatible with Mac operating system. We engineered Lofree to support every device, whether it's Mac, iOS, Windows, or Android. It also features the exact same keyboard layout as Apple's Magic Keyboard. With Lofree, you can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth and quick switch between them. With auto sleep mode and 3 different backlit settings, it's smart too. It also has 4 times more battery than other keyboards. Finally, an elegant wireless mechanical keyboard built for you.